and lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine for me slowly. Love can see no way to me. I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. Never Lord I go far.
Good morning, guys. So today it's my birthday and I'm at the salon currently because Ngwanyana stressy. Guys, Ntlanta stressed me out because we had an appointment at 8 and her phone was off. So I thought Dai girl has it again, but anyways her charger was messed up. But I'm here getting my hair done. So this is a birthday vlog. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing because I also don't know. What I know is that we're going to a spa after this. After that, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Guys, when I'm keeping it, look at my hair. Anyways, I didn't go through and I need to get ready to get my hair because I'm late. Hi guys, so I'm in an Uber. I'm not running late. I am on time. Hopefully I get there on time. Whew. The birthday messages are flooding in and I'm just like, do y'all love me this much? But I'm very grateful. So like every time I've been trying to record and someone calls, so I'm just praying to God that I can just get through this video without anyone calling. So yeah, we're going to the spa now. I am so excited. I'm very excited in a very long time. I've never been this excited for my birthday because her birthday I got January and people are always anyways. But let's go to Four Ways.
My mind. My mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I need my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need mine now.
So guys, I'm just chilling here. I just want to grab a drink and then I'm gonna leave. But to give what did you partner on? Right again. But now we can only sabawa.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder. Yeah.
Guys, remember when I said couple, what? Me alone. God is blue ticking me. Who? Blue ticking who? Blue ticking who? Guys, I received this gorgeous flowers. Let me show you these gorgeous flowers, guys. Guys, like, yo, and my balloons are chilling there, and you guys, I feel like everywhere I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna be like, hi. So I think we should start the YouTube video C2. Guys, Tati would be like, so Tati got engaged, right? So whenever she starts her video, she'll be like, hi guys. So nah, because we still, yeah, kire, hi, hi. We are saying hi. Oh guys, I'm so happy. They are my balloons. Let me show you guys my balloons. Can you tell the balloons because I don't want them to get the sun. So they are there. Guys, I am so happy. Look at these. Look at these. So my balloons and my flowers and I are having a champagne. Yo, this vlog looks like I'm my balloon and flowers. Guys, my phone is blowing up. The notifications, the bank notifications, the text messages. Hi guys. Oh, another call. I'm not taking that. But guys, I'm so grateful and I'm so happy. Also, I don't want to leave the spa. I don't want to leave here. Yo, I don't want to. And I just got a picture of my cake and I'm like, okay. I'm so happy. I need to leave also. I'm going to nemo the whole day. But I be like in a plan. Yes, it's like in a zone, but like I want to wait. So guys, I'm done. It's literally 2:30. And now I don't know. But I met these two lovely ladies here, and listen, we were having a chat and I really enjoyed. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm going to fetch my cake and then I'm going to go to Roval. She said I must come through. So yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, so I'm in an Uber now and I'm headed to where I'm gonna take my cake. I'm so relaxed and so happy. So yeah, come through, let's go get the cake. Hi guys, bed quality. But this like after 10 years of trying to get my life together, I met up with Roald and Brishka. That's why I'm like this, guys. We literally went for shopping to show up, go to the streets. I'm not this girl. I wouldn't want to go to the streets on my birthday. All I want to do is chill at home. But the friends that I have mid-January, they were like, we are pulling up. And she's laughing at the back. She's like, I was not sure on my vlog because she has a jealous girlfriend. I'm just like, this one I Joel. Guys, my life took a 360 in like 2 seconds. Anyways, bye. In the meantime, just not going where I want it. Just some me time. Doing what you want. In the meantime, just not going where I want it. Just some me time. Hey guys, I come back. I'm so sorry. I know I left you guys go spa and that was it. I am so sorry. After that, we went to Groove, myself, Roel, Brishka and other people, but I didn't want to show that part. Maybe I can add like clips of it now, but like I couldn't need to vlog that. So this is like an update. What's gonna happen is that we are prepping to go to Cape Town but I don't want to add the Cape Town vlog in this vlog. So that's why I'm having a catch up with you guys. So part 1 of my birthday was in Joburg. You guys saw that, and Groove and all. I need to, so this weekend I am surprising my family. We are going out, hopefully on Saturday. I just need to check with my mom if she's available, because my mom is a busy queen. I just want to take them out like for dinner or something cute, man, you know, something cute to show love they're celebrating a star. And then on Sunday I'm going out with Bushle to celebrate my birthday. So all of that will be included in this vlog. I don't know when I'm going out with Valencia and Matapel. I just need to check with them, and I just want to squeeze everything in this vlog. And then the Cape Town vlog is just a Cape Town vlog. You get? Because I don't want to mix this part and Cape Town, because you guys will be like, but yeah. So I'm at work. I just need to catch up on my work and Hube standard. And yeah, I can't wait to go to Cape Town. So excited. My friend moved to Cape Town. So like, I'm so happy that finally I'm going to see her place and congratulate her. And yeah, and I can't wait to see my other friends. I can't wait to see Bushle. I can't wait to see, okay, Matapela, I saw her yesterday. She came to my place. I can't wait to see Valencia. Like my girls, Nomfundo as well. I need to check up on her. When are we meeting? So everyone, but if I meet them after my Cape Town vlog, it means that you know what? We'll see that. So in terms of preparations, I need to get traveling bag, because my traveling bag is my traveling bag. So I'm going to get a new traveling bag and clothes for my vacation, and I need to go get new lashes, because now we are on gang, get new lashes and pedicure. And yeah, I think that's about it. And new hair, well, not a weave, but I want to do braids. My nails are still okay, you know, so that's all right. So yeah, I can't wait. Like this year, it's just giving a good mood, a good set of energy, you know. And yeah, I also want to do a vision board, but like this time it will be different. This time I'll be reflecting on the last year's vision board and what I did or what I got right and what we're planning to do different this year. So I'm going to do that. I think I'll just do that next week or this weekend, but like, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, let me go work. I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I'm going to see you guys when we go shop and when I do something cute for my family. Bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low.
Hi guys, we have arrived at Monte Casino and people look like Bakwatile. I don't know what's happening. Okare kitlo bakoba because aba latlhalohanya, they are not giving. They're not giving what they should give for my birthday celebration. Ooh, quality giving. My sister, my mother killed. When parents hate you, they make sure.
Get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. eternity forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back together. Come make us a star, hold you for me.